Okay, so you've just been given a citation, or even worse, you've just bonded out of jail on a shoplifting charge here in Georgia. And naturally, one of your first questions is, can the store just dismiss these charges? Hi, my name's Evan Watson, and I'm a criminal defense attorney here in Atlanta, Georgia, and Forsyth County and other surrounding metro counties. And I'm here to answer this question for you today. So just to answer it quite simply, no. The stores don't have the ambition or the desire, nor do they have the ability even to undo or otherwise dismiss charges once they've gotten law enforcement involved. But don't worry, because there are things to be done. So if you received a ticket or a bond paper, it's got an arraignment date, basically a notice to appear in court. You need to call us. We can absolutely be proactive in your defense, and know that for first offenders, many of these counties and municipalities, the prosecutors are willing to negotiate for a dismissal of your case given the circumstances. So I believe in being very proactive with my clients. I believe that your character evidence and the things that you could do before court would be very helpful. And my number one job is, again, to negotiate with the prosecutor for a dismissal of the charges. Now, different jurisdictions call it different things, but essentially we want some sort of diversion or pretrial diversion agreement in place on your case, and that is my job to secure that. These agreements are usually some mixture of community service work, some sort of courses or a course, perhaps even some therapy or counseling, as well as some sort of monetary or fine or fee payment. But they're all subject to negotiation, and I negotiate very tough and very hard for my clients on a dismissal and making sure these agreements do what they need them to do. Now, a couple other points about shoplifting cases. Number one, you may have signed a bunch of paperwork behind the scenes in an office, a backroom office. You probably don't have a copy of that, but you want to be very aware and remember, if they gave you a trespass warning, make sure you don't violate that trespass warning. And for some of these stores, that not only goes for the particular location, but all locations. Also, you may have very well signed something apparently obligating you to pay $150 or make some sort of fee payment to the store directly. Please discuss that with me and give me a call to discuss that, particularly if the store was able to recover all of the merchandise that they allege that you took. But those are subsidiary or smaller issues that we can certainly discuss and that you should be aware of. Again, to answer your question, no, the store cannot dismiss a case once they've gotten law enforcement involved. However, my team and myself, we have handled many hundreds of these cases successfully for our clients, and my goal is to secure a dismissal of your case so that it does not impact you and your good name any more than it has to. To discuss the particulars of your case or to give me a call and go over the facts and how I can help you, use this contact form or call the number here on our website.